You know, this business and real estate can be a lot of fun. There's a lot of great people. It's competitive, right? And I want people here to get to know each other. We believe in being an entrepreneur and not just having one way to approach real estate, but to the core, we have a couple things that really are important to us. Core values for us. We truly believe that within real estate, there's opportunities for everybody. No matter who you are, no matter where you come from, there's somebody in this room that's doing it that could have an excuse. Got no money, whatever it may be, somebody's doing it. There is an opportunity for everybody in real estate. None of this stuff is easy, even for us right now. We have our challenges. We're not perfect. We want to tell you things that we're struggling through. We want to give you our failures. We're genuinely here to help you guys. And if one thing you could leave is knowing, hey, I want to show you guys we're here, right? I want you guys to know, and I believe this, that there's nobody in the business that would care as much as we do to help you, and that will be there, and that will get in the trenches with you.